Hello students, welcome to Machine Design 1. We are in the module about gear and gear train. Already we have solved two problems from gear. Also in the previous classes I gave introduction about gear types and gear nomenclature. If you don't know about gear nomenclature and the basics about gear means, please check my previous videos. We are going to solve a new problem in this video. First let me read the question. Two mating gears have 20 and 40 inbuilt teeth of module 10 mm and 20-degree pressure angle. If the addendum on each wheel is such that the path of contact is maximum and interference is just avoided, find the addendum for each gear wheel, path of contact, arc of contact, and contact ratio. So we have to find out. We have to find out addendum for each gear wheel, path of contact, arc of contact, and contact ratio. Okay, but they are given a condition. The path of contact is maximum and interference is just avoided. What is mean by that? We know the formula for path of approach and path of resistance and also path of contact. For path of approach, the formula is root of RA square minus R square cos square pi minus R sin pi. Okay, uh, if you are going to consider the interferences avoided, and we have to keep the maximum value where interference is just avoided. That is the question. Interference is just avoided for maximum value. That means this is the condition. This is the condition. Root of RA square minus R square cos square pi minus R sin pi will be equal to small r sin pi. Similarly here it will be equal to capital R sin pi. This is the meaning of maximum path of approach, maximum path of resistance, where interference is just avoided. Okay, at this condition we have to find out capital RE value and a small RE value. That's what they have asked us to find. Okay, so now let us proceed. First let me write the given data. So they given the number of teeth in pinion and wheel. Number of teeth in pinion is T equal to 20. In pinion, number of teeth is 40. What is they given? Module value is 10 mm. அவங்க வெளியில போயிருக்காங்க அந்த நம்பர் நம்பர் அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் அப்போ வர உட்கார்ந்து ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. So module value is 10 mm. Then what is they given? Pressure angle they are given. Okay, pressure angle is 20 degree. Okay, now let us write what we have to find. So what we have to find? We have to find out addendum value. So addendum value, then path of contact, arc of contact, length of path of contact we have to find. Then arc of contact we have to find. then contact ratio we have to find. Right. So the formula is, so this is the formula. For path of conduct, Kp equal to root of Ra square minus R square cos square pi minus R sin pi. For path of approach. For path of resist, formula is PL equal to root of small Re square minus R square cos square pi minus R sin pi. Okay. If we add Kp and PL, we will get path of conduct. If we divide the path of conduct by cos pi, we will get length of arc of conduct. We will once again, if we divide the arc of conduct by circular pitch, we will get conduct ratio. Okay. Above all, we don't know the value of Ra, R, small ra and small r. First of all, we have to find these values, and they put one condition. They didn't give the addendum value. That we have to find the addendum value. We have to find using this condition. Okay. So first we will find capital R and small r. Let us try to find that. We know that module equal to capital D divided by T dt. Okay. So module value is 10. So capital D value is so radius is 2. So once again m equal to d by t, that is so we got a capital R value and a small r value. Then what else we need? We need the value of cos pi. Cos 20 value is 0.939 0.88. Actually we need that value. Right, let us proceed to the solution. So root of R square, that is this formula. Okay, I am writing this formula. This condition. I am writing this condition. Ra square minus R square. R square is 200. 200 square into cos 20 square. Cos 20 square is 0.88 minus R sin pi, sin 20. Sin 20 value you have to find. Sin 20 is I think 0.44. 0.34, sorry, 0.34. 0.34. That will be equal to small r 100 into sin pi 0.34. Okay. So 200 square into 0.88. 200 square into 0.88 is 35200. So this value is 35200 minus 200 into 0.34. There 100 into 0.34. If this value go this side, what we will get? We will get 300 into 0.34. Okay. 300 into 0.34 is 102. This is equal to 102. So we have to take square root of we have to square both sides so that we can lift the square root. Okay, so 102 into 102, 10404. So the value is REA square equal to 10404 plus. So we have removed the root, so we will have REA square minus 35,200 equal to 10404. Now this minus 35200 will go this side and it will become plus. So add it, plus 35200. We get 45604. So REA square is 45604. Root of 45604. 45604 is 213. So RE value is 213 point, what we got, 55. Okay, two 13.55. Or we can write 214. Okay, 214 mm. So A equal to addendum equal to addendum A equal to RA minus R. 214 minus 200, you will get 14 mm. Okay, so we got the addendum value now. Now what we have to find? We have to find out. Now we have to find out path of approach, path of recess. Actually, instead of finding these value, now for this case, because they told it is equal to the maximum value. Maximum value is r sin pi. Here also it is equal to r sin pi. Okay. Now instead of finding everything, the values inside the root and putting everything, I can directly write r sin pi. Okay. Small r sin pi, capital R sin pi. Small r sin pi means 100 into 0.344. Okay. 100 into 0.344 means we will get 34.4. Here 200 into 0.344. Okay, you will get 68.88 mm. Here also mm. Okay, so we got KPPL. Now KL. We have to add everything, no? So if you add everything, means what you will get? 34.44 plus 68 point. You will get 103. 103.3 32. Now arc of conduct. Arc of conduct is equal to path of conduct divided by cos pi. That is cos 20. Cos 20 is, I told you, 0.99. Okay. So otherwise we put here 103.32. Let me see the cos 20 value first. I think 9. Yeah, 0.93. Okay. So 103.32 divided by 0.93 mm. Now this is triple on mm. Okay. Actually, book answer is 102.6, but I got 103. So here also small variation. Small variation. This is not a big problem. Okay. So nearly we got book answer. Now what else we have to find? We got nearly 3 answers. What answer remaining? Now this one. Circular pitch is pi into m. This we have to find out. Then only we can find this value. Pi into m means m value is 10. So pi into m means you will get 3.14, no? So 31.4. Circular pitch is 31.4 mm. So now contact ratio is triple one. Okay, triple one. Just will take triple one. Triple one divided by 31.4. 31.4. We'll get 3.53. You get 3.53. Contact ratio means pair of teeth in contact. Okay, we can't write 3.53 as an answer. We have to put whole number. It could be 4 or it could be 3. But this is, if it is equal to 3.5 or more than 3.5 means it is approximately equal to, contact ratio is approximately equal to 4. Okay, so we got the answer. We got all the answers. Contact ratio is equal to 4. Okay, this is one answer. This is path of conduct, arc of conduct, contact ratio. Then one more answer is addendum value. So all the answers we got. Okay, all the answers we got. We will solve one more problem in the next class.